Hello designers, this is MehediHas. I'm a product designer. Many of you already know in 2024 I made a Figma plugin called Easy Color and Token Generator. Today I'm going to introduce Easy Color and Token Generator 2.0. So let's walk you through. If you're watching this video on my YouTube channel or LinkedIn, X or Facebook, you will find the link in the description. So I'm going to open the plugin. So here it is, Easy Color and Token Generator 2.0. All you have to do, you just need to open the plugin, and then you can see this is the user interface. And I made so many changes. Like if you are old user, so it will very surprising for you to use that, and I try to make that easier for you. So first, if you want to change or if you want to choose your base color, so this is the color wheel that you can pick your color, and also if you want you can pick any color if you want from the color picker. That's the beauty of it. And also you can adjust the color from here if it's not fit for you, or if you have any issues in the color palette. So it will generate OKLCH color space, that human perceptual. And also you will check the accessibility like WCAG or APCA. So I will walk you through later on. So you can add custom color from here, and also if you want you can delete that. Also you can add that. Also if you want you can set as a brand color, so it will get placed into the first. Second thing, you can it's already selected. Now you can choose the color harmony, like complementary. It will give you the complementary color palette in here. This is the very easiest way to do that. And finally, if you want, I don't want to link that, so you can click there. It will unlink the color. Secondly, all you can do, you can go to the advanced setting, and you can change the color space from here. Okay, so it will support for color space OKLCH, hex, RGB, and HSL. And also you can see the APCA contrast ratio from here. Also, if you want, you can change your brand color like 500. If you don't want your base color 500, so you can make that auto. It will automatically adjust the base color. And if you want, you can also adjust global lightness. Like if you slide this, it will adjust the lightness, the whole color palette that you choose. And last or not least, you can generate neutral palette. Like all you have to do, you just need to simply click that. So here is the neutral palette. And if you're not satisfied with that, you can also adjust from here. It is very easier for you to adjust the neutral color if you don't like it. And also it will give you dark theme and also the system color if you want. This is a very easier way to generate all the color in one place. And finally, you can import if you have JSON file, you can import your color palette. Also, if you want to generate or get the code, it will give you the code from here. So this is very easier way to do that. And finally, you will have the color library. You can choose the industry, whatever you want. It will give you almost 10,000 plus color, easy color for you. So all you have to do, just simply click. It will generate the color palette for you. And if it's not good for you, you can go to open color generator, and simply you can adjust everything. Like you can adjust the color, you can adjust the contrast if you're not satisfied with that. That's the overall thing that you can do. And you can also create style guide and variable. Like if you click the create button, it will give you a model, and you can create variable, create style, and also create style guide. So if you hit the create, it will create all the things that you need. So it's already created my style guide. I'm going to close my plugin. And if you see in here, see, it will give you all the color palette, that you already created. And also if you see, here is all the color palette in style. And also if you choose the variable, you can see all the color because you already choose the dark theme, right? So it will give you the dark color palette in here and also all the color that you need. That's the thing. And the second thing that you can do, if you already have existing color palette, so you can simply open the plugin. It will ask you, it will detect your color palette. So if you want to update your existing color palette, so just simply update existing. If you want to local style or variables, I'm going to update the variable. So load the source and see, I'm going to choose whatever color I want. And then I don't like this color, so let's change the hue from here. Okay, and now going to update my variable and style guide and hit enter. So see, it's already update the color. Okay, so it didn't update the dark mode because you didn't choose the dark mode. That's why it didn't. So that's the overall. I think you will like the easy color and token generator 2.0. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. If you have any suggestion, I'll put my email link in the description. So thank you so much. I'll love to see what you have created. Bye bye.